Hey WalletHubbers! Today we're talking about what collision insurance covers. As the name suggests, collision insurance helps cover the cost of repairing or replacing your car if it's damaged in a collision, whether it's with another car or a stationary object like a tree or a fence. Collision coverage also helps to repair your car after single car accidents like rollovers and from damage done to your car by road obstructions like potholes. Collision insurance doesn't cover everything though. For example, it won't cover damage to your vehicle unrelated to driving, damage to someone else's vehicle, medical bills for anyone involved in the collision, damage caused by animals, or damage from floods or fires. Collision insurance is also a bit different than other types of car insurance coverage. For one thing, you won't need to select a collision insurance limit. Instead, the most that collision insurance will pay is the actual cash value of your car, or what you could have sold the car for before any damage occurred. Further, fault doesn't affect collision coverage, so you can receive assistance regardless of who is at fault. If you want to learn more about collision insurance and what it covers, check out WalletHub's guide to collision insurance by clicking the button here.